wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, so I'm back with Amazon Prime goodies. Okay, so I have seen videos on a lot of different products lately, and I'm tempted to see how they work. So I ordered them from Amazon, and we are just going to jump straight in. Find my trusty dusty knife. Okay, one of them I did open to see what I was missing. So, first things first, I have heard about them, I have seen them, I have not tried them. In this fancy little red box, we have, oh, this is actually pretty heavy, a jade roller. So from what I understand, you are supposed to use this. Oh wow. To do this. And from what I understand, it's supposed to help like move skin cells and fat and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna pop, this just feels good. Like I'm 99% sure I am doing this wrong, and I'm okay with it, but it just feels good. So I'm gonna do some research on how to properly use this little guy. But y'all, ooh buddy, my face, ooh. My face feels good. And I'm 99. And there's a little one, so I can do this. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go pop that in the freezer in a little bit. And then while it's in the freezer, I'll do some research on how to properly use it. But yeah, I just know you're supposed to go upwards. Yeah, because you want your face, you know, if you go down like I was doing on my forehead, because that made no sense, but you're supposed to go upward in an upwards motion because you don't want to pull your skin downwards. You want it to go up. I know that much. All right, so that is the first product. The second product is Liliana Naturals Retinol Cream. So since I have been using the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, I have noticed my skin. Okay, so when you switch to a new product, I'm just going to break this down for you real quick. When you switch to a new product, your skin is going to go through a transition period where it gets worse before it gets better. I have noticed in certain areas, like right here, you see this little guy, my skin's getting worse. In other areas, like my forehead lines, it's getting better. And my skin also looks brighter. And I'm noticing certain little spots are starting to fade. So I want to go ahead and start using a retinol cream. I read all the reviews. They all said this is amazing. It has 2.5% retinol. No parabens, no SLS, no petroleum, no SLES, no phthalates, no artificial color, no artificial fragrance, and they are cruelty-free. So I wanted to go ahead and start incorporating a retinol, and I heard this is a great retinol cream to start out with. It doesn't irritate sensitive skin, which my skin's kind of sensitive right now. See it? See it? It's angry. And last but not least, so y'all, there are these Japanese or Chinese, I don't know which one, so please don't hate on me. I believe the brand is SIO, I believe. but they're silicone reusable face mask for wrinkles. And I saw it on a video where the woman was reviewing people's skincare. I'm obsessed with her channel. But I found some affordable Amazon ones because the ones they were using, no joke, y'all, they were like $70 on Amazon. These were $18. It comes with a reusable forehead pad, a neck pad, smile pads, from what I understand, that's a chin pad, hold on, I am missing some. I'm missing the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to have to contact Amazon. I received the incorrect package. This is a breast pad right here. This is the forehead. And I can't tell if these are the eyes or the smile. And then this is the neck. So I received the incorrect package, so I am going to contact Amazon. This is ridiculous. I'm going to contact Amazon and I'm going to get that handled. But I will at least use the forehead because, y'all, my forehead needs some love. Right there. See it? See it? Yeah. Oh, and I'm going to try the neck too. But you place it on your body, take a shower or go to sleep, and then gently remove them in the morning. This is so I have like little fuzzies all like everywhere right now and it's driving me insane. So I'm going to go ahead and go contact Amazon since I was sent the incorrect package, and then we will go from there. But yeah, I'm super excited to try all my new goodies, and I'm gonna do a whole video on the jade roller in these. So y'all are gonna be with me when I go to sleep looking like an alien. Oh yeah. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can see all future Skincare Saturday videos. As you can see, we have a lot of fun ones coming. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.